If you know me, you know I hate putting moldings in doorways, and today I'm going to show you how to go from one room to next without using a molding. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're out at one of my vinyl jobs, and one of the things my clients always expect from me is not to use moldings in the doorways. I hate to use them, and I don't use them on my jobs, and today I'm going to show you exactly how we switch from room to room without putting a molding down. So without any further ado though, let's hit it. Alright, so we want to cut our floor into the next room. We want to go from this room to this room. And we want to do no moldings, of course. You know, that's how I do it. So how do you do it? You try to use a tape measure? Do you mess around with trying to lean boards up against and mark it? Nope. We're going to simplify this and show you exactly how a professional does it. We take a spacer board in. We put it here. Our board that we want to cut is going to end up in this area. So we're going to put our spacer board in this area right now. We're going to put the board that we want to cut attached to the spacer board, and we're going to end it where we want to end it, down here. Then we're going to take a marking board. Real simple. We're going to make our line right there. And then we're going to trace our wall line. This is just like our last board trick that we do in lots of our videos. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Mark our line where we want to go. And then use this to mark our wall line. And you'll end up with the two squares. Now it's simplified. You know we're exact on each end. No moldings, no transitions, and it looks professional. Wow, and that is all there is to it. Look at that. Look at that, it goes right around. No moldings in this doorway. And yes, they will be putting a door back on. This is the master bedroom, but the door is just taken off temporarily. Wow, so it's simple, it's easy, that's all there is to it. The board does all the work, and we didn't even use a tape measure. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other videos on how we do vinyl flooring. Plus, we also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But please, we need your help. Please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.